Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can enable the battery saver in your Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright, so as you can see guys, I'm on the Opera browser on my desktop computer, and for this method you will need to access the browser settings. You can do that by clicking into that icon in the top left by selecting settings. Inside your browser settings, navigate to features on the left hand side. Scroll down till you get to the battery saver and make sure that you enable it here. If you enable it guys, you may go through these settings below, for example the automatic battery saving here, and go for example one of these options, or use this one here, always show the battery icon in the toolbar. If I enable it, I will see it here in the top right, for instance, so that you may, for example, access your battery saver settings from there. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.